Hi, welcome to Navigating Earth. Finding meaning in one's life is a deeply personal and subjective journey. We're all looking for purpose, we're all looking for identity so that we can fit into this world and feel comfortable in our own skin, so that we can make progress and grow and evolve as spiritual beings on planet Earth. What brings meaning to one person may not resonate with another. However, here are 10 general ways that can help you find meaning in your life. Number 1, reflect on your values. Consider what's truly important to you and what you value most in life. Identifying your core values can guide you in making decisions and pursuing activities that align with your principles. Years ago, I wrote a book called Living and Loving Well that helps you outline not only your core values, but also your life statements and relationship model so you can redefine life on your own terms. Number 2, set meaningful goals. Define goals that are personally significant and meaningful to you. These goals can give you a sense of purpose and direction in life, whether they're related to your career, relationships, personal growth, or making a positive impact in the world around you. Number 3, cultivate deep relationships. Foster and nurture meaningful connections with others. Building strong relationships with family, friends, and your community can provide a sense of belonging, support, and fulfillment. Number 4, help others. Engage in acts of kindness and service. Volunteering your time, skills, or resources to help others in need can bring a profound sense of meaning and purpose to your life. Number 5, find your passion. Discover activities, hobbies, or causes that ignite your passion and bring you joy. Pursuing your passions can provide a sense of fulfillment and a deeper connection to your authentic self. Number 6, practice gratitude. Cultivate a gratitude mindset by regularly acknowledging and appreciating the positive aspects of your life. Expressing gratitude can shift your focus towards what you have rather than what you lack, leading to a greater sense of meaning and contentment. Even in life's darkest moments, gratitude can shift your mind away from grief toward a more joyful outlook. Number 7, seek personal growth. Continuously strive for personal growth and self-improvement. Engage in learning, develop new skills, and challenge yourself to step outside of your comfort zone. Pursue growth and expansion and spiritual evolution. This is why we're here on Earth. Number 8, live in alignment with your principles. Ensure that your actions align with your beliefs and values. Living a life of integrity and authenticity can provide a deep sense of meaning and inner satisfaction. Be kind, thoughtful, and compassionate. Number 9, embrace life's challenges. View challenges and setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. Embracing adversity with resilience and a positive mindset can lead to personal transformation and a greater appreciation for the journey of life. Number 10, find meaning in the ordinary. Learn to find beauty and meaning in everyday experiences. Practice mindfulness and be fully present in moments of your life, recognizing the richness and significance that can be found in the simplest of things. Remember, finding meaning in life is a lifelong process, and what brings meaning can evolve over time. Embrace the journey and allow yourself to explore and discover what truly matters to you. Reflect on what works and what doesn't work, then adjust accordingly. We came to Earth to pursue joy, so start now by finding what brings you joy, and in that discovery process, you may be able to unlock more meaning for why you're here. If this video was helpful, hit that subscribe button and receive 1,000 unicorn hugs, but you have to act fast because supplies are limited. Thanks for stopping by Navigating Earth.